Let's learn AI without the nerd stuff. This is day 3, and today we are going to talk about APIs. I'll give you a quick example to understand API. So, this is a user or a person who's ordering a burger at a restaurant, and now his request of an order for a burger is taken by this specific server. Now, this server sends the request to a chef who prepares it and then gives the burger back to the server, who again gets the burger to this person who just ordered. All right, so this is a usual ordering system that happens, right? Now, the server over here is actually an API. API stands for Application Programming Interface, which means it acts as a messenger for the application to contact a specific server or system. Think about a weather app that you use every single day that's available on your phone. You want to check the weather of your specific city, for example, Chennai. When you go to the weather app, the request is sent via an API to a weather service. For example, Google Weather or AccuWeather or whatever weather service it fetches the information from and gives the response back to the API, which brings it back to your mobile application, this weather app application, and it shows you this specific temperature. So practically, this API is a tool or is a middleman which enables this app to communicate with a specific server or service. A single app can connect to multiple servers or services. So, in order to place an order on Swiggy or any of your food ordering platform, you send a request via the API, and the API connects with maps, payment systems, your login credentials. If you are raising a support ticket, it goes via the AI or chat interface, and every response from all of these things comes back via API and it gets displayed on your Swiggy or Uber Eats or whatever app you're using. So, this is a practical example of how APIs work in real life. Now, that's a wrap on how APIs work. I'll see you again tomorrow with yet another complex AI topic. If you have some topic in mind, make sure to put them in the comments. I'll cover it in my upcoming videos. I'm on a goal to teach a 1 million people AI by the end of 2026. So if you're watching this right now in July 2026, you are right on time. By the end of December, you are going to become an AI pro. So let's do it.